So in this video, we will go over general navigation within the platform for BluSignals, where you can access the proprietary systems as well as conventional charting for technical analysis and other symbol, price, volume analysis that you would utilize in your own methodologies and strategies in connection to or complementary to our proprietary systems. That's why we combine both onto the platform. So for instance, here we have a general ticker of the overall markets that can be toggled on or off. Here is a dashboard that contains market overviews, symbol overviews, economic calendars. There's a news portal, etc. Here's the Systems tab where we are now. We're about to review these system pages. We also have a multi-chart window. This will open up a 4-chart screen that again is utilized for conventional technical studies. There are dozens of indicators and overlays, and every basic, intermediate, and advanced technical analysis tool is included in that charting package. You can look at intraday, daily, weekly, multiple symbols, comparison charts, etc. You can also isolate those into individual price charts and even fundamental charts for tracking things such as dividend yields and so forth. We also have a combo screen where you can look at both the price information from the price chart and the fundamental indicators that you may be following on a particular security. So there are 3 independent pages, and the tooltip will show you the current symbol that's loaded in any of these price charts. Again, this is the multi-chart screen. We have a research tab, which is a portal, takes you out to MarketWatch and other online research hubs. Our help screen, which gives overviews on issues such as this navigation or each of the systems. There are also, of course, the videos for each system on the help page. Here's an account access, so you can get to your account, website, or the direct URL login for the platform itself. Here from the system page, we default to the Watchlist tab, which is where we are now. We've assembled some pre-made watch lists. One here we call Major Markets, which is an assembly of 24 domestic and global markets, both for equities, currencies, commodities, ETF groupings, etc. Then we have the Dow 30, which is displayed here currently, which we will review. The S&P 100 index, and 3 separate tabs for custom watch lists that you can give names and add whatever symbols you would like to track. When your watch list is rendered, the results are far more than just the price and the previous change. You have all of our proprietary indicators from our systems rendered as well. So you can see the near-term trend, then the near-term zone, and its near-term pivot point, and as well for the long-term trend, zone, and pivot point. This gives you excellent information to key off of where this security may be in its trend or in its cycle from buy and sell zones and the pivot points that accompany them. Also gives you ideas about the consistency of the trend direction. And from here, you can select any of the system pages you may want to load that security into to have it there for further analysis. This also is very useful, you'll see, as we go to the search screen. The search screen, similar to the watch screen, will bring up similar sets of results, but of course you can search for this criteria, which is extremely useful and important when looking for a trade opportunity that's set up with the conditions and the overall probabilities you would expect from a directional trade when using BluFractal and BluNeural together to find those inflection points or strong trending markets to establish an entry point for a long or short position. Here, there are many ranges to choose from for the previous closing price. Then we can select relevancy to its 200-day moving average. Perhaps we want to say up to 6%. We want volume of, say, 2 million shares. We could select relative volume according to the stock's general average. Then we can get into the fractal and neural trends, zones, and pivots to further specify stocks that we would be interested in. It would be in a positive trend. And again, there are numerous criteria that you can select from, combining basic price, volume, and direction information with our proprietary signals, both near and long term, regarding trend and direction. And we can search, and it will bring up the results, and in the results, it also gives you details on that criteria, including proprietary indicators that you did not include in your search, but it gives you all of the results for the particular symbols that do qualify from the search criteria that you entered. And again, finding a security that you like, want to review further, we can select it and move it directly to any of the symbol tabs along the system pages. This search function is extremely useful for both intraday, swing, and position trading. Here we have the BluFractal screen. And again, I won't get too deeply into this because there are videos for each of the systems that go in to great detail for each. And we can navigate to the BluNeural system, again giving us zones and pivot information. Then this is a very convenient screen we call Combo, and if you have a subscription to Fractal and Neural, you can access the Combo screen where it gives all of the data combined. Now you can still go in, of course, and utilize the specific fractal and neural pages, But we find this combo page to be very convenient and a powerful way to combine all that information together, including all of the charts to support that information, both near and long term. Simply click on and you get right to the charts. And then, of course, all the summary information here regarding those systems for trend, zone, and pivot, all in one place with all the important details about where the last occurrence may have been and at what price point, etc. Then, of course, you can get to BlueQuant. And again, this is gone over in great detail in the BlueQuant video. Here we can see the live portfolio and the last 10 completed trades. And if we wanted to load a symbol, we could do that and open up the chart. And there's PNC that we just loaded. That was from the live portfolio. And here that position is. It was triggered here. And as you can see, because the green bars are still active, you're in that position. A sell signal has not been issued. The last time PNC was traded, here is that holding period. You can see here, green bars the period when it's held, gray bars when the system is not holding the stock. And you have an entry point here and an exit point here. Again, these signals are sent in real time. Please see the BlueQuant video and help screen for more information about utilizing this system, which is an all-inclusive proprietary system giving you all the information one would need to get in and out of stock positions using BlueFractal and BlueNeural together with our own proprietary filtering for finding the most high probability positions. So the platform is relatively easy to navigate through. Again, you'll spend much of your time here on the Systems tab amongst the watch list, the search screen, which again allows you to enter all of that criteria to fuss out the specific points of interest regarding trend, zone, and pivot found in our proprietary systems. The combo screen for both fractal and neural, and then the BlueQuant screen here that utilizes the fractal and neural algorithms to hand select the highest probability stocks and deliver those real-time buy and sell signals to you. And just as a recap, you have the sidebar navigation that can take you to the technical analysis charts that allow you to combine our proprietary information with conventional technical analysis methods and techniques for your day trades, your swing trades, or your intermediate or core portfolio holdings. When you first log into the platform, you'll find yourself at the dashboard where, again, all of the market overview, economic calendar, news, etc. is accessible to you. And from there, you can decide to either go into the system pages to access the proprietary information or go to any of the charting tabs to set up your technical analysis studies and conventional trading approach. For further information on navigation, please see the Help tab.